This is a blue carabiner tool from Kershaw. It's model number 1004 BLX. It's got an AUS 6A stainless steel blade on it that's partially serrated. Rockwell hardness is 57 to 58. Whenever you open the blade, the carabiner body serves as a knife handle with finger grooves. Cut this way or turn it this way in case you need to rip. It's held in place with a 420J2 stainless steel liner that's integrated into the carabiner body. By the way, this is an aluminum body on the carabiner that's coated with blue Teflon. It's got a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver built into the body of the carabiner. And we've got an integrated bottle opener. The latch is non-load bearing. If you want to lock the latch, just simply screw this set screw to the top to lock it in place. This is the blue carabiner tool from Kershaw. It's model number 1004 BLX.